Meaning of extradite.
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 Extradite. Extradite means to send someone accused or convicted of a crime to another country or state where they are wanted for trial or sentencing. The result of extradition can vary based on the specific circumstances of the case, but generally it involves the individual being taken into custody by the authorities in the jurisdiction where they are currently located and transferred to the requesting jurisdiction. Once there, they will face whatever legal proceedings have been initiated against them, which could include trial, imprisonment, or other penalties.